begin with our day's event, I would like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Rajiv Talwar, for taking out time to join us today. Your presence here is a true honor, and we are truly privileged to have you with us. Mr. Rajiv Talwar is an ex-Loyolian and an active member of Loyola Alumni Association for the past 30 years. On the behalf of everyone here, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to you, sir. And now, we proceed towards the proud moment of the unfurling of our national flag. I invite our chief guest, Principal Ma'am and Father Jerry to kindly do the honors.
दुश्मन खेलते हैं, कंधों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कंधों से मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे दोनों दुश्मन खेलते हैं। वंदे मातरम, वंदे 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 मातरम, वंदे 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 मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
To all respected dignitaries, teachers, and my fellow citizens. It is an immense privilege to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our beloved nation. A day that resonates with pride, patriotism, and the enduring spirit of democracy. On this auspicious occasion, we commemorate the historic moment when our Constitution, the bedrock of our Republic, came into effect on 26 January 1950, transforming India into a sovereign, secular and democratic state. This monumental document, crafted under the visionary leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and a dedicated Constituent Assembly, is a testament to our collective aspirations for liberty, equality, and justice. Republic Day is not merely a day of celebration. It is a profound reminder of our responsibilities as citizens of this great nation. The ideals enshrined in our Constitution challenge us to rise above personal interests and work towards the collective good. They inspire us to uphold the principles of democracy, respect diversity, and foster harmony in our society. India's journey since becoming a republic has been nothing short of extraordinary. From being a fledgling democracy, we have emerged as a global leader, shaping the discourse in fields as diverse as science, technology, space exploration, and diplomacy. The launch of ambitious missions like Chandrayaan and Aditya L1, the growth of our economy, and our advancements in renewable energy are but a few milestones that underscore our progress. However, the true strength of a nation lies not in just its achievements, but in its ability to confront challenges with resilience. As citizens, it is imperative that we address pressing issues such as inequality, climate change, and social justice with determination and innovation. The spirit of patriotism is not confined to ceremonial occasions. It is reflected in our daily actions, be it through honesty in our work, respect for environment, or kindness towards one another. As we gaze upon our tricolor, let it remind us of the sacrifices made by our forebearers and the responsibilities that lie ahead. Let us honor their legacy by striving to create an India that is inclusive, equitable, and a beacon of hope for the world. In conclusion, let us pledge to uphold the values of our Constitution and work tirelessly to ensure that the dreams of our founding fathers are realized in every corner of this great nation. Together, let us march forward with unwavering resolve, carrying the torch of progress and unity. Jai Hind.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है। सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India।
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India।
Respected Father Jerry, Principal Mrs. Olson, teachers, parents, and my dear loyalists. Today we gather to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India, a matter of pride and honor for every Indian. On this very day, in 1950, our country took a monumental step of adopting the Constitution of India to become a sovereign, democratic republic. As students and future leaders of this nation, it is your duty to uphold the values enshrined in our Constitution. Today is not just a day about hosting or rather unfurling the national flag and singing patriotic songs. It is also about reflecting how we can contribute to make a better India. Whether it's through education, innovation, or kindness, every small effort counts. Let's take inspiration from the leaders who have come before us and work towards a nation that is not only powerful but also inclusive and compassionate. Let us also take a moment to thank our brave soldiers of our country who guard our borders and ensure that we enjoy our freedom. As we celebrate this Republic Day, let's pledge to do our best for our nation and make it proud. Together, we can create an India that is a beacon of hope, progress, and harmony for the entire world. On a personal note, I have been lucky that 3 generations of my family had got Jesuit education. And the kind of grooming which we all got, my uncle, myself and my children, today we owe a lot to the Jesuit education. And children, I can say that you are very lucky that you are part of that education today. Have a great time. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I am Devi Prasad Khaitan. I played an important role in the legal and constitutional deliberations. I also framed several provisions.
I
am Sarojini Naidu. I played a key role in ensuring that the Constitution is recognized and the rights of women and marginalized groups are protected.
I am Muhammad Sadullah. I was a Muslim lawyer and the leader of the Muslim League in Assam. I was the first Prime Minister of Assam in British India. I contributed to the shaping of India's constitutional framework.
I am Kanhaiyalal Maneklal Bunshi. I am a lawyer, politician and a scholar. I contributed on the issues of fundamental rights and protection of religious and cultural diversity.
I am Aladi Krishna Swami Iyer. I played a crucial role in the drafting key provisions, particularly those concerning and judiciary division of power between the central and the state.
I am Gopal Swami. I am an expert in law and governance. I am involved in drafting various provisions, especially those related to the relationship between the Union and the states.
I am Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the first Law Minister of Free India. I am the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitutions and referred as the architect of the Indian Constitution. I think that the Constitution is workable. It is strong and flexible enough to hold the country both in war and peacetime.
Mr. B.R. Ambedkar thoroughly studied the constitution of 60 countries and adopted the best practices from them. For example, they took the Election Commission parliamentary government from the Constitution of Britain. The preamble from the USA. The ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity from France. And the idea of the right to life from Japan. Our country officially became a republic after the adoption of the Constitution in 1950. A sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic which secures foreign citizens' rights, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity for all. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where the tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. When the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Good morning. Our chief guest, Mr. Rajiv Talwar, Father Jerry, our treasurer and administrator, teachers, students, and my parents here. Today, as we gather here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our nation, I extend my warmest wishes to all of you. This day holds a great significance in our hearts as it marks the adoption of the Constitution of India on 26 January 1950. Dear students, I urge you to take inspiration from this day and recognize the power of education, discipline, hard work. You are the torchbearers of tomorrow, and your actions will shape the future of our country. Always remember, no dream is too big and no challenge is insurmountable if we approach it with determination and integration. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Respected chief guests, distinguished dignitaries, esteemed teachers, dear students, and all present here, a very good morning to all. As we come to the end of this grand celebration on the occasion of Republic Day, I stand before you to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has contributed to making this day a memorable one. First and foremost, I would like to thank our chief guest for gracing this occasion with your presence and inspiring us with your words. I would like to thank our principal ma'am for her leadership and guidance, Father Jerry for his unwavering support. I would also like to thank our coordinators and moderators for continuously inspiring us to strive for excellence. I also want to express my sincere appreciation to all the performers, students from English Oratory and Dramatics clubs, and teachers for the dedication and hard work in putting together today's events, from the vibrant flag unfurling ceremony to the captivating cultural performances. Your efforts have made this day truly special. A special thank you goes to the support staff whose behind the scenes work ensured that everything ran smoothly. Let us not forget the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who paved the way for republic that we live in today. On this auspicious day, we remember them and pledge to uphold the values of justice, equality and fraternity that our Constitution guarantees. Finally, to all the students, I urge you to carry forward the spirit of patriotism and unity. May we continue to strive for a future where we all stand together and making our nation proud. Thank you all once again for being a part of this Republic Day celebration. Jai Hind.
Overall championship at Aakash, hosted by Aakash Jain University. Srishti Bhatt secured the first position in the inter-school cross country and claimed second position at district level Kho championship. Saluting the tricolor are the students of Shiksha Niketan School.
Up next is Loyola School Telco. Leading the platoon is Neerja Tiwari, who has represented the school in Jyoti Basketball, the NBA 03 tournament and the Tata Motors Athletic Week. The school is dedicated to holistic growth and academics with co-curricular excellence. Saluting the tricolor are the students of Loyola School.
Senior girls in
हिमालयज शीतलं शस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। झर नदियाँ सर सर चलती पवन शुभ तेरे मौसम वन्दे मातरम्। जंगल जंगल डाली डाली चांदनी बरसे सपनों वाली तेरे चरणों का चुंबन ले हम शीतल मुस्कान तेरा करम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा
झरी वाले नीले